The Cat D-Series skid steer loaders, multi-terrain loaders, and compact track loaders are built for exceptional performance, versatility, and ease of operation. Safety is key at Caterpillar. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the basics of how to safely operate a Cat skid steer loader, multi-terrain loader, or compact track loader. Before operating any machine, read and understand the safety and operating information in the Operation and Maintenance Manual, or OMM. You'll find one in the storage compartment behind the seat. Contact your dealer if it's missing. Safety signs are posted in several locations on your machine. Review and obey them. They are there for your protection. See your OMM for more details. Before beginning any job, make sure you're wearing the proper safety equipment: hard hat, safety glasses, high visibility vest, and safety shoes. Also, do a quick survey of your job site to avoid any potential hazards. Never modify your machine with things like counterweights, overinflated or foam-filled tires, or work tools not approved by Caterpillar. To check if a work tool is Caterpillar approved, consult your OMM or contact your Cat dealer. It's important that you know and understand all the safety basics. But the machine itself also has several features to help protect you while you work. To help entry and exit, you'll find 3-point grab irons along with skid-resistant steps. Always maintain 3 points of contact when getting on or off the machine. Always wear your seat belt. Make sure it fits snugly. You must also put down the arm bars. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic system that keeps it from being operated if you aren't seated with the arm bars down. The parking brake automatically engages once the arm bars are raised. Other safety features include a horn, dead engine lower valve, and quick release front door. If you must go beneath the lift arms for servicing, you must use the lift arm brace to prevent the arms from lowering. To install it, first remove the work tool, lower the lift arms to the ground, set the parking brake, and exit the machine. Remove the lift arm brace retaining pin and lower the brace down to the lift cylinder. Enter the machine, fasten the seat belt, and lower the armrest. Start the engine. Release the parking brake. Slowly raise the lift arms until the lift arm brace drops into position on the lift cylinder rod. Lower the lift arms against the brace. Stop the engine and exit the machine. Secure the brace with a retaining pin. To uninstall the brace, remove the retaining pin. Enter the machine, fasten the seat belt, and lower the armrest. Start the engine. Release the parking brake. Slowly raise the lift arms until the brace lift pin drops into position on the cylinder rod. Slowly lower the lift arms. Ensure that the lift pin lifts the arm brace over the cylinder. Slowly lower the lift arms to the ground. Stop the engine and exit the machine. Secure the brace in the storage position with the retaining pin. Every machine is equipped with a rollover protective structure. Never remove it, modify it, drill holes, or weld to it. See the OMM for more information. In case something should block the front exit, you can quickly get out of the cab by pulling the release tag, popping out the window, and sliding out of the rear emergency exit. A rear view camera is also available for even greater visibility on the job site. The D-Series machines also feature a dead engine lower lever and a hydraulic accumulator, both of which provide a method of lowering the lift arms in the event of an unexpected machine shutdown. If electrical power is available and the accumulator is charged, the loader arms can be lowered from the operator station with the work tool joystick controls. With the seatbelt fastened and the armrest lowered, move the engine start switch to the on position. Press the parking brake switch to release the parking brake. Slowly move the work tool joystick control to approximately the 11 o'clock position in order to slowly lower the loader arms and adjust the work tool if necessary. The loader arms can be lowered manually if the accumulator is not charged or if there's no electrical power. Pull up on the red handle located in the left rear corner of the operator station, or, depending on your model, pull down on the red lever located above the operator. Allow the loader arms to lower until the work tool is on the ground. We can't anticipate every potentially hazardous situation, but here are some general do's and don'ts. Never overload the work tool. Read your manual for the operating instructions and limits. Always keep the work tool low for the best stability. When using a skid steer loader, keep all 4 tires on the ground. For multi-terrain loaders and compact track loaders, keep the full length of the rubber track on the ground. If the track loses contact with the wheels and the machine is turned, derailment can occur. Consult your OMM. Travel up and down slopes with the heaviest end of your machine uphill. Always back down the hill. Never exceed a slope greater than 3:1 or 18.4 degrees. Avoid turning on transitions. Make gradual turns instead of sharp turns on a slope. Never take on a rider. The machine is equipped for only one person, the operator. Never leave the operator's seat while the engine is running. Never try to start the machine from outside the cab. Always keep your hands and feet in the cab. Make sure that your machine has the proper safety equipment for the tool that you're using. When you are using a work tool, that may create flying debris. Your machine should be equipped with a front polycarbonate door. When using pallet forks, always remember to keep the load low while moving. Don't turn quickly while a load is raised. This can be a tipping hazard. Adjust the forks to the proper width for the material being carried. Once the load is picked up, tilt the pallet forks back toward the machine to help prevent the load from moving. When shutting down the machine, always park the machine on level ground. Lower the lift arms so that the work tool rests firmly on the ground. Use the hydraulic accumulator to relieve hydraulic pressure from the machine. Turn the key, press the parking brake, then move the joystick from side to side. To haul a skid steer loader, multi-terrain loader, or compact track loader from site to site, first, select a trailer based on the weight and dimensions of the machine and work tool found in your OMM. Be sure to obey all state and local laws governing the weight, width, and length of a load. Position the ramps so the machine will be centered in the trailer. The ramp spacing should match the tire tread width on the skid steer loader or the rubber track tread width on the multi-terrain loader or compact track loader. Always travel on the ramp with the heaviest end uphill. While that is usually the rear of the loader, note that certain work tools can have an effect on that. Position the machine according to the trailer manufacturer's guidelines for transporting the machine. Lower the work tool so it rests firmly on the trailer. Stop the engine and remove the key. Use both tie downs on the rear bumper and both on the front of the frame, under the steps. If the front two tie down locations are not applicable or desired, use the alternate tie down locations on each side of the lift arm. Use only the specified locations for tying down the machine. Do not use any other locations in order to tie down the machine. Secure the machine according to the regulations in your area. For more information on safely operating your Cat D Series skid steer loaders, multi-terrain loaders, and compact track loaders, contact your local Cat dealer.